Showing you how to hook up a CB in a 2015 Freightliner truck. This is a Cascadia. Here's the space where the CB is going to go. First of all, you're going to have to take this insert out, which sits right here normally, but you take this out, and this part here snaps out, and that's where the front of the radio is going to go. So you got to take this out first, and it just consists of two screws to take that out. I think it's a Torque 15 bit to take that out, but the insert has to come out before the radio can be hooked up. Okay, this is the radio that we're going to be hooking up. It's just a little Cobra 29. This is a popular radio. You can get these about any truck stop. Good performing radio, So this is the one that we're going to hook up today. Okay, here's the connector that you're going to use. I used the power cord off of this new radio on another radio that I put in a Jeep, but this is just a 3-pin connector you can buy any truck stop, and it works with your Cobra radio. It's just 3-pin, and it'll power up your Cobra. This thing I think was only $10, but it's going to connect to these wires here that are coming. You see they're not just coming out of that space where you're going to put the radio, but there's just two wires here, hot and ground. So get this hooked up. Okay, 2-wire connection, and then boom, there you go. That's a nice blue background for that radio. Looks good. Okay guys, well, the lighting's not that good in the truck here, but there you go. It's as simple as that, really. I mean, 2 wires and it hooks right up. Channel 19 ready to go. Don't forget to calibrate it. I haven't calibrated it yet. It's the first time I've turned it on, but there you go. Simple as that. Alright. Once you get it hooked up, you want to calibrate it and get your SWRs right, and you'll be CBing in no time. Alright, thanks for watching.